Good morning class, welcome in your English online class. Today we are going to do exercise number 18.2 related to the topic present continuous tense. It is given in your book of Brevia at page number 92. So here we are with the exercise. Fill in the blanks with the right form present continuous tense of the verbs given in the bracket. Okay, we have to make correct use of present continuous tense with the help of the verbs given in the bracket. But before starting the exercise, let us recapitulate that in present continuous tense, we make use of is, am, are plus first form of the verb plus ing, and is, am, are depends upon the subject. So here we go with the first sentence. What dash they dash, in bracket the verb, the action word is do, and we are seeing that the subject is plural, so we will go with what are they doing. What are they doing? वो क्या कर रहे हैं? At number 2, look it dash, in bracket action word is snow. Look it is, now we see that it is a singular pronoun here, so we will go with is. Look it is snowing. It is snowing. देखो बर्फ गिर रही है. नेक्स्ट इज दे डैश टू अ स्टोरी, इन ब्रैकेट लिसन, सो द सब्जेक्ट इज प्लूरल हेयर. दे आर लिसनिंग. दे आर लिसनिंग टू अ स्टोरी. Next is he dash on the coat, on his coat. Next is putting. So we see that he is putting on his coat. कहता है कि वो अपना कोट पहन रहा है. Now let's have a gossip here. Why this T has become double as it is given here single? Because students, that before this T we are having vowel, and after the T we have to add a vowel. Is it okay? When we have both sides vowel before the given letter, the letter will become double. Next is fifth is dash you dash as well, in bracket we are having come. So are you, this is plural, subject is plural. Are you coming as well? Next is we dash a cartoon, not watch. Now the sentence will become negative in sense, not, we have to add not. So we are not watching, we are not watching a cartoon. Next is she dash very fast, in bracket we are having swim, so we will go with she is swimming. Now you can see this rule again. Swim we are writing and we have to add ing again, and here also we are having vowel, so this letter will become double. She is swimming very fast. At number 8, I dash forward to seeing you. Look. Now I always and always go with am. I am looking forward to see you. Dash John dash in the yard smoke. Now John is singular. Is John smoking? Is John smoking in the yard? You dash carefully, not listen. You are not listening. You are not listening carefully. तुम ध्यान से नहीं सुन रहे हो. He dash for an exam. Sit. He is sitting. He is sitting for an exam. The children dash in the playground. Run. The children, now children are plural. Children are running. Again and will become double. Children are running in the playground. Where dash you dash go? Where are you going? Where are you going? तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? I dash the plants, not water. I am, not is given, so we have to add not. I am not watering. I am not watering the plants. What dash Tracy dash eat? What is Tracy eating? Tracy क्या खा रही है? You dash me bother. You are bothering. You are bothering me. Dad dash the car, not repair. Dad is not repairing the car. Look, they dash their homework. Look, they are doing their homework. It's plural, so again plural. How many members dash to attend the meeting? Go. How many members are going to attend the meeting? The teacher dash the children at present. Direct. The teacher is directing the children at present. Now, this was your exercise number 18.2. It's so easy, but you have to keep it in mind the rules and their applicability. Thank you, students. Good.